Hi, I'm Stephanie with Roof Nest, and this is our all-new Falcon 2. The slim styling, rugged materials, and versatility of our all-aluminum Falcon quickly made it one of our best-selling and most copied tents. This upgraded version has a ton of new features you can only get from Roof Nest. We redesigned both shells but kept the same sizing. The Falcon 2 Regular is 50 inches wide, and the XL is 60 inches wide. Both are 88 inches long and an incredibly slim 6.5 inches tall when closed. The Falcon 2 Regular weighs 160 pounds and the XL weighs 175 pounds. The top shell is now a sandwich construction with 1 full centimeter of insulating foam between 2 aluminum sheets. Our 6-channel crossbars can be attached to the accessory channel to carry up to 150 pounds when the tent is closed and up to 75 when open. The bottom shell features the same honeycomb construction as our Falcon Pro. Now with 2 accessory channels, mounting gear like awnings, lights, shovels, or axes is even more secure. Using both accessory channels allows you to mount up to 75 pounds on either side of the Falcon 2. We've added webbing to the latches so the tent is easier than ever to open and close. The webbing is secured to the bottom of the tent when driving. When opening the tent, the German-made struts do all the work with just a nudge. The 8.5-foot telescoping ladder now has slanted steps to make it more comfortable. You'll notice that the window mesh is on the outside, which means when you're inside the tent, you can easily unzip the tent for ventilation. Each tent comes with 2 shoe bags that attach with carabiners. We redesigned the awning so that it wraps around to protect the side doors. You can easily zip it off when the weather's nice. The tent material has been upgraded to a heavier 320 GSM poly cotton canvas that's waterproof, breathable, and quiet in the wind. We also added a blackout coating to the inside of the tent for those late mornings when you want to ignore the sun. Let's jump inside. The Falcon 2 comes with a 2.5-inch thick mattress made from real memory foam, not the density foam found in other tents. It also comes with a machine washable mattress cover and an anti-condensation mat. The Falcon 2 is over 7 feet long, meaning even if you're tall, there's plenty of room to stretch out. There's also ample headspace, making changing clothes easy. We've included 2 LED light strips that plug into any USB battery and a gear grid with several storage options, including a clear pocket so you can watch movies on your tablet. Compare it to the competition and you'll find the Falcon 2, like all other Roof Nest tents, comes with more standard features, higher quality materials, and more happy tent owners than any other rooftop tent brand on the market. This tent is even more durable, more capable, and more user-friendly than ever before. We're incredibly proud of the Falcon 2, and we know this tent will elevate your camping experience for years to come. Thanks for watching. If you want to learn more about the Falcon 2 or any other Roof Nest tents, please visit roofnest.com. Happy camping!